Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, November 14th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be rainy with a high of 45 and low of 37, with a 100% chance of rain.
Well, guess fall's gone. Time for winter.
Today's lunch options are chicken drumsticks or chicken sandwich.
Wow, so delicious.
This week is College and Career Week. Did you know college graduates earn, on average, about $20,000 more a year than people who don't go to school after high school? That means going to college could earn you almost $1 million more in your life than if you don't go. Tomorrow is hats off to the future grads. Wear a hat to school.
Now here's Gracie for Today in History.
In 1969, NASA launches Apollo 12, the second managed mission to the moon. To dissipate 2 lightning strikes, the launch is carried out successfully.
Wow.
Weird but true. Spider webs were used as bandages in ancient times.
Wow.
Wow. Now here's Everett for So Cute I Can.
Two inseparable shelter dogs got married in an adorable ceremony, with their own specially made mini chapel complete with bubble machine. 9-year-old Peanut and 3-year-old Cashew got married at the San Antonio Humane Society in Texas last Wednesday. The pair met in the Humane Society Medical Building after their respective dental surgeries and instantly bonded. After watching their relationship blossom, staff decided to organize the ceremony in the hopes of finding Peanut and Cashew their forever homes.
Bet you didn't know, monkeys can go bald in old age, just like humans.
Wow.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Ellie, what did Jack Frost say to Frosty the Snowman?
I don't know.
Have a nice day.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success.
I choose excellence.
I'm Grayson.
And I'm Ellie.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.